I really appreciate you doing this video testimonial for us, and more importantly, happy to be able to bring this information to the public so they can hear more about why you chose a collaborative divorce process.
Yeah, I chose the collaborative divorce process. Actually, it was by accident because when I was going through my divorce, I wasn't even aware of the collaborative divorce process. And I was actually out looking one day. I had an appointment with a lawyer. I walked in and there was this huge shark mounted on the wall. And I go in there and we have a great meeting, and there was just no doubt in my mind that he could probably rip my former husband to shred. After that meeting, I walked out and I thought, oh my God, at what cost would I be doing that? And I just had this feeling in my gut that it just didn't feel like the right thing to do. And I thought there had to be a better way. So I remember going home and I started typing in good divorce, or, how to have a nice divorce. And all of a sudden what came up was collaborative divorce. And it said something to the fact like two people coming together to achieve something successful. And I thought, I got to check that out. And so that's when I came across you. And I remember sitting in your office and feeling scared and alone and, not really knowing any of the whole process. I really got that you got this great grasp on the law, and I felt completely informed. But I think what really got me is when you said, and this will not go to court. And I thought, yeah, that's something that I could align myself with.
Because what? What were you afraid of?
Well, there'd been so much arguing to begin with, and so much chaos in our life to begin with, that I just didn't want to go through any more of that. So if I could find a way that would work better for the both of us, that we could come together in the divorce versus separate further apart, I was all for that. And what I liked about the collaborative process is that you had a team behind you. The financial CPA, you had the child psychologist, there was you had your divorce coach. And so all I know is that when you go through the divorce process and you're not educated in the process of going through a divorce, you walk in just absolutely confused. And you're already confused to begin with because you're already coming from a place of like fear and oh my gosh and dread and the emotional trauma of a divorce. Well, in my particular case, I felt, you're going through the financial where you really don't know where you are financially. There's the whole separating of the kids, because we both want 50-50 custody. Having that collaborative divorce team, we were each able to discuss exactly what it was that we wanted in our divorce, how we'd like it to have happen. We know that we could leave the room and our divorce coaches had our backs.